please stop using this extension. It is making you get way less bits than you think you are getting. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of short video. I just want to talk about something I've seen a lot of fellow creators using on Twitch and give my insight as to why I don't think you should use it. Today we're going to be talking about the sound alerts extension. If you don't know what that is, you've probably seen it before if you're on Twitch. It looks like this guy over here, right? So you have the bits here so you can do different sounds depending on how many bits you redeem. There's like a bunch of different sounds that you can play, and it seems really cool. They can do it right from your panels. The only thing is you can't do it on mobile, but besides that, it's a really cool idea and I see a lot of streamers using it. However, I say this with love. Please stop using this extension. All right. And I'm going to tell you exactly why you should stop using it, because it is making you get way less bits than you think you are getting when someone redeems a sound alert. And this just in general is about extensions too. Always look at the terms of the extensions you're using. If it's something that like people donate bits through or subs or anything, always look at the extensions because it actually can directly affect you. So this is the sound alerts page. This is where you install that extension. I zoomed in a little bit so you guys can kind of see this information easier. And it kind of just goes through what sound alerts are, what they look like, how easy it is to interact and monetize and customization, all that fun stuff, all right? And how you get like that little alert here. However, the devil's in the details. So I moved my camera and I zoomed in so you guys can see this better. But as you can see in the terms right here, it says extension developer and the streamer will receive 20 to 80% respectively of the 1 US cent per bit. All right, so if you're looking at this, you might think, oh, well, like I get 80%, no big deal. Wrong. If someone gives you 100 bits, which is $1, you're only getting 80 cents. Like they take 20% and that adds up. And I didn't even realize this was a thing until I looked at my insights and looked at my income specifics for the month and saw the specific amount that they were taking out of my account. And I think that most people don't really know about this. They just think it's a cool extension, or maybe you do know about this and you're like, okay, Leah, well, there's no other way for me to get the sound alerts to play on stream and I really want to do that. That's not true. There is another way to do it and I'm going to show you how. So I actually have this set up in my alert box. I use Stream Elements, which you probably are familiar with if you use OBS. If you're not familiar with it, you might use Streamlabs for your alerts. You can do the same thing in Streamlabs, but if you want it to be a lot like sound alerts, you could also just make an alert box in Stream Elements and use it as a browser source in Streamlabs. That's what a lot of people that I do alerts for do. But I'm going to show you how to do it in Stream Elements, and you can apply the same kind of logic to Streamlabs as well. So I'm going to go to my cheer alert here. I'm just going to go to the, not the tip alert, the cheer alert here. And you're looking at the settings. This is just the general cheer alert, right? This is what that looks like. But if I go to my variation settings, you can see I have a lot of variations and they all do different things. So I have 200 bits triggers an ooh sound, 300 bits triggers an oof sound, like the Roblox sound, 400 is like the yes sir sound, right? And so on, right? We got the jump scares, and then I have different sounds from people donate a lot of money, right? So you can use the same logic to make different sounds for bit amounts, and it will do the same thing as sound alerts. It'll play a specific sound when people donate a specific amount of bits. It might not have the extension, but I still think it's a way better way to do this because you're not losing your bits. And you can do this with donos as well. You can do this with sub gifts. You can do this with really a variation, any kind of variation that you're using. So I have it the same so people can donate $2 or 200 to get the uwu sound. 200 bits to get the uwu sound, for example, right? And so I'll show you what I have listed in my stream panels so that people know that they can do this. So in my stream panels, as you can see in this panel right here that says tip jar, I have a list of alerts that people can trigger, and I list what the alert does and how much each alert costs. Basically, you can have way more than these. You can like do your own thing, really make it your own, right? But basically you can do a lot of different things, and this is a way you're not getting any of your money taken from you. It's going directly to you. You can customize the sounds even more. Instead of it just being a sound, you can customize the alert that comes up. You can make it GIFs. You can do really like whatever you want. I think this is so much better. It makes so much more sense to me, and it just really is gonna be really helpful, especially for big and small streamers, really. Because if you're a small streamer, right, every cent counts. If you're a big streamer, that 20% is gonna end up adding to a lot of money. So, you know, you're a streamer, you're putting the work in, and if people want to give you bits in something, they want to give it to you. They don't want to give 20% of their money to an extension. They want to support you. So again, overall, you know, just be smart when it comes to using these extensions. Always read the terms and always look at how they could impact you. If you don't really care about it, that's fine. But I honestly think doing it the other way allows for a lot more fun, and you can add gifts, and I think it's a lot more personal to your community as well. All right, guys, that's it for this video today. I hope you gained some insight into using extensions on Twitch and how they can actually impact your bits and everything, and just became more aware of what you're kind of signing up for when you use them. If you need any help with any stream stuff and you would like me to make a video on it, leave a comment down below on any questions you have, anything you think I should make a video on. I love to help with streaming stuff, and even though that's not all this channel is, I would love to make more videos on that as well. If you're interested in what my stream looks like, and trust me, it's chaotic, but it's a lot of fun, you can check me out on twitch.tv/LeahSedeno. Currently I stream every Tuesday and Thursday, but who knows, maybe we'll add more. But you can see my full schedule over there. You can also check me out on my Instagram and my Twitter at LeahSedenoTV, or on my TikTok, which is just Leah Sedeno. I was able to solidify that handle. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I post, with that notification bell as well. You know how YouTube be. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.